Hello and welcome again to Androidiya. In today's video, we will discuss a lot of amazing tricks and tips and hacks of WhatsApp. So just learn the tricks and why not try it with your friends. So guys, focus and let's get started.
Do you want to recover deleted WhatsApp texts? Here's an app that will come in handy. Just visit the Play Store, download the app called NotiSave. Once you're done setting up the app, you'll find all the deleted WhatsApp messages here. Now, you can easily check messages the person sent earlier.
Why not to try these fun tricks and surprise your friends? This is a trick for those who have full data storage and they want to empty their storage.
So you want to read WhatsApp messages but without opening that chat. Is this possible? I guess yes. In your WhatsApp, head over to search bar. Just enter the contact name or a group name. And now scroll down to read all the messages. You read that messages, but it will look like messages are unread.
For more features like that, so just don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.